For the last several weeks, I've been working on a special project and it's finally here. I've built my very own Cardano ADA stake pool, ticker symbol MAX1. So staking with me will earn you 5% returns on your ADA on top of regular price appreciation. Plus, staking with me will benefit charity at no cost to you because I will donate 5% of all revenue I personally generate running the pool to the Organization for Autism Research, a very high efficiency nonprofit.
Could you tell me a little bit more about what OR does?
We raise funds to fund research, raise funds to give out scholarships for those on the spectrum, raise funds as far as trying to help those who are capable of getting jobs, find jobs also, or some major areas that we're into.
Here's how it works. All you need is a Cardano wallet, either a Daedalus or Yoroi wallet. Fund your wallet with ADA and delegate to ticker symbol MAX1, the number 1. And then boom, you'll be staking with me and earning passive income and benefiting charity. And I know this might be a lot of information all at once, so let's talk about how this works, our level of security, and then we'll end this video with a step-by-step showing you exactly how to get started if you aren't familiar. So to start things off with the basics, what is staking? So staking is a way of earning rewards for holding certain cryptocurrencies, specifically proof of stake cryptos like ADA, not proof of work cryptos like Bitcoin. With proof of stake, you're literally putting your currency to work to earn you passive income. So cryptocurrencies are decentralized, or they're all supposed to be decentralized, which means there's no central authority, but you still need a system to ensure there's no fraud, no mistakes, and no funny business. With proof of stake, like Cardano, transactions are verified and funny business is mitigated by people who are invested in the blockchain by holding the crypto and staking it. Basically what happens with ADA is it's a kind of lottery system where you're randomly chosen to complete a block of transactions proportional to how much crypto you have staked. This means someone staking 100 ADA will receive 10 times more staking rewards than someone staking 10 ADA. It's all proportional. The easiest way to stake is by delegating your ADA to a stake pool. This is what I've created, ticker symbol MAX1. As a stake pool operator, I get paid a small percentage of profits to cover my expenses for running computer servers, and you get paid passive income for staking with me. So how much can you earn? Staking ADA yields around 5% annually on top of regular price appreciation. So if ADA goes to $5, you'll benefit from that, plus you'll still get 5% staking rewards. So if you plan to hold your ADA long term, there really is no reason not to stake it. Now, what is the risk? With ADA, there really aren't risks to staking because the crypto never actually leaves your wallet. You're not actually trusting it elsewhere, so there's no risk of losing it. Worst case scenario when staking is if the pool you're staking into doesn't create any new blocks over a 5-day period, which can be mitigated by just choosing a good pool. Now, despite the low risk, we have done absolutely everything to make this as secure as possible. Here's some more information for the security nerds out there. Now, another question is, if you're already staking elsewhere in a different pool, will you lose your staking rewards by moving over and staking with me? And the answer is no. You won't lose anything if you switch over. However, when you switch pools or begin staking somewhere, it does take 20 to 25 days for your first rewards to come. After that, you'll receive ADA directly in your wallet every epoch, which is about every 5 days. Now, why did I decide to make a stake pool? And first off, of course, it's a business opportunity that I believe in. But beyond this, I saw a big need. I'm a fan of Cardano, and building reputable stake pools helps out the Cardano ecosystem. Staking literally makes Cardano run better, plus you get paid to do it. So it's kind of a no-brainer. And right now, people generally have to choose from stake pool operators who mostly don't even show their face. With my stake pool, MAX1, you know I'm the operator. You can join my Discord and you can see me posting videos daily. Many people have requested that I start a stake pool, and frankly, it's a good idea. And then plus there's an opportunity to do something good at literally zero risk. There aren't many win-win-win situations in life, and this is one of them. So by staking into MAX1, you'll make passive income, I'll build a stake pool, Cardano benefits, and charity benefits. So like I said, it was a complete no-brainer to spend the time to make this pool. For even more information, you can check out my new site, stakewithmax.com. Now let's do a tutorial on how to stake your ADA for those who aren't familiar. You can do this by either downloading a Daedalus or Yoroi Cardano wallet and delegating to MAX1, the stake pool ticker symbol. So we're gonna cover Yoroi because it's very simple, and I've already covered Daedalus in the past, which I'll have linked in the description below. First, you'll wanna visit the Chrome store and download the Yoroi wallet. From there, you'll see this page. Agree to the terms of service. We're going to skip this for now, and we're going to create a wallet for Cardano. create wallet, name your wallet, password, create personal wallet, click continue. And now this is your recovery phrase. You want to keep this somewhere secure, keep it somewhere where you will not lose this. It's very, very important, and don't share this with anyone. You're checking that you understand you absolutely need that key phrase for future use. Click confirm. And our wallet is now created, but we need to fund this wallet in order to then delegate the funds and start staking. So in order to do that, we want to click receive up top here. We're going to copy this address. So you need to buy ADA elsewhere and then deposit it into this wallet. Now you can buy it on Coinbase, Binance. I bought mine on KuCoin. No matter the site that you buy it on, you're going to click the withdraw tab in order to send it to your Yoroi wallet. I'm going to be sending my ADA from KuCoin, but this will be very similar on all exchanges. So we'll paste in our wallet address. You want to always verify that this is accurate. Verify it's accurate. The network should just be the ADA network, and then the amount that you want to send. So I'm going to send 500 ADA for this test transaction. We can see the fee here is just 1 ADA. Click confirm, confirm the withdraw. And there we go, the funds are sent. This will take about 30 seconds to a minute usually for those funds to actually land in our wallet. And there we go, we can see our 500 ADA has landed. Now staking is super easy. You're just gonna go over to delegation list here, search by name. We're gonna type in max1, that's the ticker symbol. Click search, there we go. We'll click delegate here. The amount that you want to delegate, we're just going to delegate this whole amount. And by the time you watch this video, I'll have all my ADA staked in this pool. Enter in your spending password, the amount of rewards that you can expect to receive every 5 or so days, and delegate. And there we go. We're now staking and earning those juicy staking rewards. So we can see here the upcoming rewards. It'll be a little while before we receive our first rewards. So remember that on the first time. It can take up to like 20 to 25 days before you see those first rewards. But then after that, it's every 5 or so days. And we can see the stake pool that you're delegated to. It really is super simple and a no-brainer if you are planning to hold your ADA long term. You might as well earn some passive income with it. Real quickly here, if you're using the Daedalus wallet, you'll want to download this wallet to your desktop PC. Now, this isn't as user-friendly, but there's an argument to be made that it's slightly more secure because you're downloading an entire node to your PC. That's up to you which one you want to go with. In order to delegate on here, you click this symbol up top, click Stake Pools, type in max1. It's very simple. Click this. Don't worry, there'll be far more people in this pool. Click Delegate to this pool. Continue, and you'll confirm the transactions here. And if you'd like even more information, you can visit stakewithmax.com, or you can join our Discord link down below and ask questions and join our community. And to finish this off, I just want to give a sincere thanks to everyone who watches this channel. I wouldn't be able to build these projects and benefit exciting causes without you. And as we grow more and more, I'm simply going to be able to do bigger and more exciting things. So thank you, and I appreciate you.